Can you hear me? Take the brick small pot and add water to it. Is this water or milk? Oh, it is water. Water to it. Next, 2 teaspoons of coffee powder and sugar decided. Okay, so 2 teaspoons of coffee powder. Now put the cookie on the stove, bury it into the sand, and stir the coffee with the spoon. So maybe with the spoon, we just stir it with the spoon. We have to keep stirring it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you will see the coffee start foaming. Hold the cookie out of the sand. With the spoon. So this is sand inside. We have to do it for 2 minutes. Now we pour the cookie out of the sand. Pour the coffee into a small cup. Yes, a small cup. Your coffee is ready. Keep this here. Your coffee is ready. Put the dirty coffee to the small wooden bags. Okay? Enjoy a Greek delight with your Greek coffee. So the Greek coffee looks like that. Take a quick sip. Take a bit.